we're going to cover the 5 biggest affiliate marketing mistakes that many beginners make when they're getting started that can easily cost you a ton of time, reduce your passive income, and add a lot of extra headaches. So if you're looking to start making money with affiliate programs, these are super simple things that you can put in place up front that will pay dividends down the road. But you won't find them in most affiliate marketing tutorials for beginners. Hey, it's Matthew here from CEO Dose, where we help you grow an audience and scale your revenue with online video. And a big part of that is affiliate marketing. Now, we've tried and tested a ton of strategies over the last 5 years, and we now generate hundreds of thousands of dollars every year, almost completely passively. So the tips that we're about to cover are some of the biggest lessons that we've learned the hard way and get to this point. So this video is designed to save you time. And as we're going through, if you're seeing value in this content, make sure you're giving the video a big thumbs up. It really does make a huge difference. So number 1 then is to always think long term. Now, I used to think that this went without saying, but unfortunately, a lot of people seem to skip straight past this one. Whatever product you're going to promote, always make it a win-win. So it's a win for the company and for the product or service you're going to promote. It's a win for your viewers and for your audience because you're helping them with the buying or purchasing decision, which then means it becomes a win for you as well, receiving a commission for that lead or for that sale. So what I'm getting at here is never be an affiliate or recommend a product that you wouldn't recommend to your closest friends or a family member. Trust is hugely important, but a lot of marketers focus on which products and services are going to give them the biggest commissions rather than the best solutions for their audience. Not only is that unethical, but recommending that other people spend their hard-earned cash just so you can earn a quick buck is the fastest way to lose their trust, so they'll never listen to you again. So always look to maximize the value that you provide to your audience and only recommend the products and services that you know are going to actually help them. So focus on the best products and never the best commission. And in the long term, everyone wins. So now that we've got that one out of the way, the second big mistake is number 2, not using your own redirect links. Affiliate programs change their links all the time, meaning your unique link that's tracked back to you could change at any given moment. And if you've got a ton of these things out there and they change, then you'd have to go back manually across everywhere that you've ever posted them and manually update them if you don't have redirect links in place. So here's an example of what a redirect link looks like. This is a link that we own and that we can control and that we can update and change where this is going to be pointed to or where the person that clicks the link is going to be taken to at any given moment. So when they're clicking this link, we're able to redirect them to our affiliate link or wherever we'd like them to go. So to manage the bulk of our affiliate links, we use a WordPress plugin called Thirsty Affiliates. And for any of our Amazon links, we use a service called Genius Link to manage that redirection. Now, there's lots of other options out there as well. You've got things like Pretty Links, which is also a WordPress plugin, or there's also services like Bitly. Now, if you don't have a WordPress site, this will be a massive tool for growing your affiliate income over time. These days, it's easy to get a WordPress site set up, and you can also use it then to manage your redirect links with a plugin like Thirsty Affiliates. For anyone starting out, you can get up and running for just a few dollars a month with a WordPress hosting plan from a low-cost host like SiteGround, which is where we started out ourselves and why we recommend it. I'll include our affiliate link for that one down in the description box below. See what I did there? And that brings us to number 3, which is not actually reading the terms of service or the terms and conditions for each of the affiliate programs that you are a part of. Some programs have super strict terms of service, and one of the most well-known programs for this is Amazon. It's a great affiliate program, but they have some very strict requirements, and they're also notorious for just blocking affiliate accounts with no notice if you're found to be in violation of their terms. We've heard of several YouTube channels making thousands of dollars each month, having their Amazon affiliate accounts switched off without any notice. And it can take months to get it back online, if you can get it reactivated at all. If we're looking at Amazon specifically and you're feeling a little overwhelmed, then Genius Link has a great resource for helping you interpret the Amazon affiliate program requirements. I'll link that one in the description below as well. It's definitely worth a read to get you across all the different ins and outs of the Amazon program. So that brings us to number 4, which is not diversifying. Now, I've seen plenty of folks build their entire business around just one or two affiliate programs, only to have the company half their commissions or block them from the program completely. So make sure that you're diversifying here. Now, interestingly, we were working with Genius Link to split test our affiliate link conversions, and we actually found that giving people more choice, so B and H and Amazon versus just Amazon, resulted in more commissions. So not only does diversifying reduce your reliance on any one program and build a more sustainable business, it also results in more income and a much better experience for your audience. If you want to find out more about that testing, I'll link to Genius Link's article down in the description box below as well. And while we're still on the topic of not diversifying, it's not just about linking to the same products across multiple sites either. Start by making a list of all the products and all the services that you use and that you trust and that you recommend. And then you'll have the makings of an awesome recommended resources list featuring a wide range of companies that you're happy to recommend to your friend. And number 5 then is not reviewing your affiliate links. This is something that a lot of people miss, and this is a place where a lot of people are leaving a lot of money on the table. So what we're talking about here is over time. You could potentially have a ton of different affiliate links out there across your YouTube channel, in your video descriptions, across your websites, and everywhere else that you're going to be posting them. But also, over time, things change. Your recommendations might change. The company might change. The products could not exist or might be out of stock, or even the affiliate programs may have moved to a different service or a different provider, meaning that your link is no longer working. So what I'm talking about here is to periodically check your affiliate links to make sure that they're healthy, to make sure that they're working and that they're taking people where you want them to go. Now, going back to number 2, where we spoke about using redirect links and the plugins that we use, Thirsty Affiliates and Genius Link. Both of these make this link reviewing process really easy. They'll actually do a link health check for you and quickly tell you at a glance which links are going to a web page that may not be there anymore. Or on the Genius Link side of things, it'll even tell you if a specific Amazon product is out of stock, and it makes it really easy for you to just replace that to maybe another seller on Amazon that's selling that and has it in stock, or to swap that out for a completely different product. So for us, and reviewing our links, this is something that we're doing every few weeks just to make sure that we're able to help our people get to the right place and that our affiliate links are actually working. So those are the 5 biggest mistakes that new affiliate marketers make. Now, on the topic of affiliate marketing and Amazon affiliate marketing specifically, if you want to know the 6 biggest ways that you can maximize your earnings, then check out the video linked on screen. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.